A scoring logic is a way of collecting points for an entire questionnaire. To set up a scoring logic, select Score Logic, and then select a score logic. There are 3 scoring logics available, visible when you expand the bar. Sum points, sum by tags, and average of tags. Sum points means the sum of the points of the correct answers. Sum by tags means the sum of points for the selected answers marked with a given label. Average of tags means the average of the points for the selected answers marked with the given label. If you wish to select either the sum by tags or the average of tags option, you must create tags. To do this, enter a label name and click on plus. When you have created all tags, click on Save. In the expanded bar with the available logics, the first option you will see is Off. This option disables the counting of scores, so that you can reverse your decision to award points to a question.